everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this episode, in playlist Android bug, I would like to show you the bug relevant to Android hue dependency, right? If you run you got in trouble with the same error like me, like unable to find methods Java's poet like this, you have to see you have to watch this video. So I'm trying to connect with my backend, and I declare retrofit, and here in here for the first time I use caps instead of KSPs. But when I run cap for the first time debugging it, and I got this error, and then I try I copy the error and jump to ChatGPT, and it's give me a solution that we should use KSP, and then I use KSP. But when I run the project, it's still I still got this error, and yeah, I have to confirm that ChatGPT just give me a useless solution. So I'm trying to find the solutions, and then I got this solution. Uh, it's not the error not relevant to Java Poet. It's relevant to hue dependency. So you have to enable this one. Enable aggregating task equal false like this, and yeah, just this line, and yeah, it's cost me over 1 hour. I can't believe it, because the team Android dev, yeah, they update Android Studio every time, and every time I try to updating my Android Studio, and yeah, just connect front end and back end, and I got many errors. I don't know why they update Android Studio so easily. Um, then I can sing now, and let's say it be successful, and then I will run the project. Let's see. Okay, so you can see all right, so let's run our string, and the app is running now. It's do not get any error, right? And yeah, it does not depend on how you use KSP or cat. It depends on how you declare this line enable aggregating task. So if you got any the error like me, so let's fix your error now. And if you got any other error, you can show in the comment, and yeah, other viewer can jump and help you, and even me if I know that error. And finally, this video and now, and if you like this video and find my solution is helpful, so let's like and subscribe to show your support to me. Then bye, see you guys next time.